Parents, if you're looking for a stroller that gives you comfort of a full-size stroller but remain compact and easy to handle, here we have the new GB Orsa Pro dual-facing stroller from Germany. GB Orsa Pro, suitable from newborn up to 22 kg, approximately 5 years old. The design is modern, stylish, luxury that stand out wherever you go. It's a load relief frame design with high strength aluminum alloy frame. Disperse ground impact for improved stability and protection. Premium touch PU leather handlebar with 3-level adjustable height. They have a unique braking system, which is a hand braking system. One press to lock the wheel, one more press to release and go. Effortless two-way facing shift mechanism. Just pull the trigger, switch over the handlebar for parents facing. So baby still young, face mommy. Baby getting bigger and curious, switch over to face the world. This canopy is a high-density polyester with triple-layer reinforced Oxford fabric built in with UPF 50+ sun protection and waterproof coating. It's also expandable to full size that protect from sunny day, shopping mall lights, afternoon nap. This canopy coverage is important. Magnetic air mesh window, and there's a pocket right here for you to store your personal belongings. This seat is built in with a shock absorbing cushion that help reduce vibration and provide better comfort and support for your baby's developing body. You can see right here, there's a protective side wing, removable and adjustable bumper bar, adjustable leg rest, flexible adjustable backrest, where you can stop at any preferred position. Seat height of 46 cm for maximum comfort and easy access. Spacious 40 cm seat wide, giving your little ones more room and comfort throughout the journey. Designer thicker shoulder padding and 5-point safety harness. For your information, GB has increased the safety testing from 55 to 83 assessment, covering the materials, chemical checking, so it's safe for you and your baby daily usage. Spacious storage basket for you to store your daily belongings. Built in with 4-wheel suspension for front and back. Enlarged rear wheel design to enhance stability. Maintain control and comfortable even on bumpy road. GB Orsa Pro can easily fold with one hand. And after folding, it's compact, tidy and freestanding. To unfold the stroller, easily unlock this locker, hold up the handle, and you are ready to go. In summary, GB Orsa Pro, suitable for parents who want a dual-facing stroller, which is convenient and comfortable. Most important, this is a premium quality finishing. So dear mommy, let's view, feel, and try on the latest GB Orsa Pro dual-facing stroller at My Lovely Baby for extra value. Follow us for more product review video.